Give me an
I
example
didn't
of one
really.
or two problems that you had to kind of preemptively address in order to make him feel better.
Well, I did have to. I mean, of course, the connectivity was an issue. Like, if I can't get on the internet, I can't do anything. Um, we long before that had centralized file storage on Google, on Google Drive. So all my files, all of any of the work that I would be doing is accessible by anybody else at any given time. We had also, long before that, implemented Slack. So we had a lot of communication um, techniques in place, standards, because almost all of our team is remote anyway. They're not on the road, they're in their houses, but almost all of our team works from home at some point, most of their
Right.
point. So we already had established, when do you tell people that you're not available? How do you do that? Do you email them? Do you Slack them? Do you call them? Um, when were we going to travel? What if we were actually traveling on a work day, and how was that going to work out? And I quite honestly said it's going to take some more diligent communication on my part to tell the team when I am and am not available. And it's going to take some more diligent reading of those notices on their part to know. And that's, just some of the stuff that probably right now, the single biggest issue I still have is that because of my internet connection, it is cellular based, but it's not a cell phone. It's a cellular based router. Um, I still don't get great bandwidth to move large files. So, our other tech expert, Marissa, your co host, when I need to move a large video, she helps me out and moves the large video, and it's done in 5 minutes when it would take me 3 hours to download it and re upload it to wherever I need to be. That's the only, so far, knock on wood, the only place I
Mhm.
really need assistance still from somebody who's land based.